So we're gonna start things off a little different. How about we do that? This first intro, this is for all of the
naysayers. People that want to just get to the point.
Yeah. And see the cook and
have
it done.
No nonsense, no tomfoolery, no
shenanigans.
Yeah, we're shenanigans.
Shenanigans
right now.
We're doing it right now. So here's what we're doing today. I'm gonna show you guys how to make a deconstructed bacon cheddar jalapeno popper quesadilla.
Woo!
It's this simple. We're gonna get some cream cheese, put it in a bowl, cut up some jalapenos. We're gonna throw some bacon in there, we're gonna throw some cheese in there, we're gonna get a tortilla, we're gonna throw it down on the griddle, smear all of that in there, flop it over, cook it on both sides, pull it off, cut it, and eat it. What you think about that? Now, for all you other cool folks out there that would like to hang out with us and have a good time, welcome to CJ's First Cooking Show.
So come on, everyone, it's CJ's First Cooking Show.
Now that the chicanery, I don't actually know what that word means.
I've actually never used that word. In fact, I think
I
you made it up.
it's synonymous with tomfoolery and shenanigans.
Okay, well then...
Chicanery.
Chicanery. Literally, that's the first time I've ever heard it. We're gonna get to our bacon.
Oh, and you
on
are
the griddle
using...
top. The one and the only Wright's bacon. Actually, Wright's,
cut.
I want them to be one of my guys.
Wright's
Wright's
get
bacon.
you right, if you're watching.
If you're watching, if you see this, I love your bacon. I want to be brand friends with you. Let's be BFFs. Let's hang out on the weekend.
What are we cooking on today,
So,
CJ?
I had this set to preheat at low. I'm gonna bump it just a hair. Hey, get out of my face, dude. We want the bacon to slow cook and get nice and crispy, render some fat. It'll be delicious. I'm just
Having a problem.
Yeah, man. Sorry, I actually was having a problem in there.
See that.
Yeah. I was just spouting out things that I've heard you say before.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. That wasn't a movie quote. It was that dog.
The dog going, yeah, huh, yeah.
I put some.
So there we go. We're gonna let that ride for a second.
Can we talk about the most important part of this dish?
Me?
The jalapenos that I grew,
Ooh.
or the one.
You have
I needed
one. Come down here and let's have a look. Let's make an evaluation. So there's the long, thick one.
Which one did Nate grow?
There's the short, stubby, shrivelly one with weird little white lines in it.
That is money.
Or there's the red one that's kind of a mixture of both of those.
Red jalapenos are fantastic. Green jalapenos are fantastic.
Look, you're missing the point.
But homegrown, look at those striations.
The point is,
Look at those striations.
This is Nate's. This is mine. You were missing where I was going with that this whole time. Chances are this one is going to be screaming hot.
Yeah, just
it's beautiful.
little moments.
Yeah,
of clarity.
I'm gonna
Here, put it down. Let me
I'm
look
gonna
at
give
it.
you the moment, and you got to
So,
speak up because
If you are looking at a pepper at the grocery store, when you see these beautiful striations, those little lines, it's concentrated capsaicin, so that pepper will be hotter than this pepper. Also, the darker green the pepper gets, the more heat, but if it stays on the vine, ripens longer, it becomes red, which brings out a bit more of the sugar, making it equally hot, but much sweeter.
Wow. Let's do this, shall we?
Well, we gotta go authentic, because if we're doing jalapeno poppers.
We've got to utilize. Oh, something got in my cup.
What?
For that very reason.
Yep, we're back.
Quick. So we're gonna do about a third of our cream cheese. Now I'm gonna be honest with you.
Yeah?
I do not love cream cheese.
No, but you gotta have it.
But you do have to have it. Then we are going to go to our second simple ingredient. I'm gonna actually do a lot of cheese.
Oh yeah, you need it.
Let's start on our jalapenos. No, do we want this to be spicy?
I do.
Let's just leave the seeds in there.
Here we go.
What do you think? Okay, so I'm actually gonna do this. Whoa.
Flying all over the place.
Yes, they are. Okay,
Beauty.
look at that. So we're gonna do some of, okay.
Yeah, that one.
You sure?
That one's gonna get you. I'm a big fan of that sensation of heat.
Obviously. Oh,
a
dude,
strange-
those look angry. So we're gonna give this a nice flip. Now, onto our red one, which is gonna give us some fun contrast of color, and it's probably gonna be a little, probably gonna be a little bit hotter. I'm gonna.
Oh, look at you changing it up. That's a change up.
You kind of sound like the voice in Star Wars Phantom Menace. when they're doing the,
the
pod
pod
racers.
racing.
The crowds are going nuts!
So I'm just gonna give these a rough, quick chop so we've kind of got some smaller bites.
Hey, this was not in your recipe, and I know you're going to accuse me. What if we toast the chopped jalapenos in the bacon fat first?
Okay, listen, I'm gonna give you a one and only
Okay.
one-time pass.
Okay.
That's a great idea. Okay?
You're
I'm
welcome.
going to acknowledge that.
You're welcome.
I'm gonna scoot some of this bacon over so we can go ahead and throw that in right now.
I like it. Oh, you lovely little thing. What a fun impromptu idea.
That's actually a great idea, Nate.
Thanks, buddy.
I'm gonna just move this around so we can get some surface area going on with that. While I'm over here,
While you're down there.
while I'm down here.
Oh, another saint quote?
Dude, the Saint. I love that people chimed in on our Saint quote in whatever.
Yeah, it's a fantastic movie that it gets not enough respect.
Not enough respect. Man, it's so good. Val Kilmer is brilliant. That's probably my third favorite. Yeah, second favorite. First, obviously, being Tombstone. And then, of course, there's Val Kilmer in. No?
Oh, Top Gun.
Yeah. You're dangerous. Oh, I got some jalapeno.
That's probably good to come off now.
I think it's ready to come off.
Here, I'll bring this to you, buddy.
Oh, good idea. No, allow me. Okay. Thanks. Here we go.
Oh, lovely. Look at this beautiful thing. Oh, there's a little caramelization on there. Hold it still for a second.
Okay, I will.
Just a touch of color on the jalapeno. Soften them up a little bit.
Mmm, that's nice. I'm turning my griddle back down to low because we do want to keep it warm while I prepare our other ingredients.
Ingredients.
I'm gonna go ahead and keep cruising so we're not waiting too long.
Okay.
Gonna add some seasonings to this to kind of zhuzh it up a bit.
Hey, we're zhuzhing.
Zhuzhing.
Thanks, Betty.
So we've got some garlic powder. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, garlic powder. Next, we're gonna do just a bit of onion powder.
Love it.
Not too much. We're gonna do some chili powder.
Like it.
That's gonna give us a very nice flavor. I never cooked
And
with
color.
chili powder until we started doing some cooking together.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Chili powder's great.
Yeah, it really is. And then we got this ancho chili.
Wait. Ancho?
Ancho.
Real ancho, not
Right.
made up CJ ancho.
Right, exactly. Hard to see.
There it is. I got it.
Excellent.
Beauty.
Now, before I stir all that up,
Do we need a pinch of salt and pepper? I'm pretty
Oh.
sure we do. I am so happy right now.
I haven't had to make this walk in a while. Well, but Chelsea, will you bring me the salt and pepper?
I see you. Bring us another drink.
Dang it!
How could you be mad at a guy who leaves because he's one total idiot, but he comes back with a cocktail?
You know, you looked parched, my friend.
Thanks, guy.
Oh, whoa.
Okay, yes.
There we go.
We're back.
So like I was saying, we're gonna do a pinch, a couple pinches actually, of salt. Gonna definitely do a nice solid pinch of pepper.
Dig it.
Sliding this out of the way because it's time to chop up my bacon. Wow, this table,
You were always ripping on my table.
well, it's because it's a piece of junk, dude.
Is that it?
That's pretty much it. Now we're gonna mix this all up. I hope there's people still watching right now, based on our intro.
Naysayers.
It's likely. It's likely.
It's probably not.
All right, so here we go. Let the mixing begin.
So essentially, we're just creating kind of a maximized flavor filling that
Yeah.
you could put in a jalapeno popper, but we're simply putting it
In
on a quesadilla.
a dang quesadilla.
Get off, Napoleon. Make yourself a dang quesadilla.
Fine. You're just jealous because I've been chatting online with babes all day.
All day. It was the all day part that got me.
Yep. Okay, I think we're there, buddy.
Oh, I think we are there.
Okay.
Flour
Let's-
tortillas. What
Yeah.
you say?
This is a flour tortilla occasion, okay? Back off, guy.
Hey.
Let's go this way. I'm not gonna add any oil. I'm gonna cook in bacon fat. What do you think about that, guy?
Liquid gold.
Liquid gold, baby. Make sure that that's got some nice
Okay.
light coating. I'm not gonna be an idiot and burn my hands, but
It's gonna be a fun watching you try to put the
stuff in there. The stuff.
The stuff.
I got the stuff. He's got the looks.
He's got the look. Oh, you beautiful thing.
Oh no. Oh, that's not good. I'm not happy.
That's not good. I'm not happy.
So give me a second. I'm gonna evenly distribute and then I'm gonna beautify. Watch this.
Wow, Tricks. Hey, Tricks. Oh, those look good.
Yeah, they are.
I flippage.
I think that
Folding.
actually went a lot faster than I was
Oh,
anticipating. There we are. Okay.
Beauty.
All right. Well then, I'm gonna let these hang out for a minute. All right. So while we had our drink break, I went ahead and gave.
All right, Mr. Rogers, you gotta narrate every single thing?
I flipped the quesadillas a second ago.
Okay, all right.
Yep.
Welcome back, ladies
Let's
and
go back
gentlemen.
over there. Let's see. Let's make sure that these actually.
Oh, make sure they're stunning.
Dude.
You're a maestro.
All right. Let's pull these guys off.
Oh, you beautiful thing.
Here's the thing.
Ooh.
Do you hear that? Dude. No, dude. 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 These would be really. Oh, bro.
Pick this front one up, man. Show me some love. Oh, you naughty.
Naughty.
Oh.
Naughty. Oh, speaking of naughty. I'm about to drop it because I'm burning my freaking fingers.
Burn it, no.
Funky butt lovin'. Did he just say funky butt lovin'?
Funky butt loving. Did he say funky butt loving?
So we took quesadillas, traditional quesadillas. We took traditional jalapeno poppers,
Flipped them on their heads.
brought them together. It's the best of both worlds.
Ah,
Oh, yes!
Hang on.
I'm gonna.
Heat up the ice. It's Daniel Stern.
Yes, it
I
is.
see his face.
Yes, you do.
Is it?
It's the best of both worlds.
Is it Rookie of the Year?
It's Rookie of the Year.
I curveballed me.
Okay.
These look awesome.
All right, ready for this?
I'm ready for this.
Oh, God. I can't take a whole bite.
Okay. Hello, bacon cheddar jalapeno papa quesadilla.
I said the hip hop, the hip it to the hip hop, you don't stop the rockin' to the bang bang boogie. Say,
It was good. Bro, you got to try that.
I want-
Oh, there's the spice.
What?
There's the spice.
Oh, the
yeah.
pepper came in?
The kick is in. That one is yours, amigo.
Oh, dang, I'm getting it.
I don't even know what I'm filming right now.
So there it is, folks. Go to blackstoneproducts.com. Check out this recipe and more. teespring.com/Blackstone products or Blackstone. There's a link on if you're watching this on YouTube. Go buy some of our gear. It's a lot of fun stuff. Go check out Betty's show, Family Style. Go check out Todd's show. I like to just call it the Tobin Zone, but it is because
the
it's
Tobin
such a
Zone.
great. But let's give it a try. Nate's got his own show, Cook, Eat, Repeat. Nobody cooks his crap. Nobody eats it. And why would you repeat it if you did? And then there's my
It's
show.
elevated and delicious.
And then there's
and
my
it's
show.
wonderful, and you gotta want it.
Okay, I'll give it to you. The jalapeno thing and the bacon fat, that was genius.
Thank you.
Point being, thank you
You're
guys so
welcome.
much for joining us, sticking around if you did. We're on CJ's first cooking show. We cook and we quote. Cheers, my friends. See you next time.
so get on, everyone, it's CJ's first.